Right now, this is a fancy video in downtown San Diego with a remodel, and I just want to explain what we're doing here on this nice and beautiful video. First, installation shower valve. It's super important if it's installed right or not. I spent an hour and a half with a tile guy to make sure measure of a thickness of the wall to do proper install. For they look at like this right now. When you see it's done a lot of work before you see all this finish work. It's finished work, it's what we like, and it's beautiful, nice straight rain head install, nice water running. But to do that, it's a lot of preparing work inside. And when you do water, you have to do drain, and this is special Schluter, Germany Schluter drain. You don't need hot mop. It was need to have a knowledge to install. Wax ring, they always have to heat up to install for no leak, and it's 7th floor. It's important to don't have a leak on the 7th floor. Yeah, just all installation toilet, and when you do install toilet and seal, it's have to be perfect match, nice line, no extra seal, and it's what it does. When you step in on your new remodeled bathroom, it's everything amazing and beautiful.